breaks on a shining tide.
4 days gone since the river cried.
The mouth's wide open, the sea rolls slow.
The world, let's go, let's go.
The boat cuts clean from Gaybo's side.
Dancing over waves with a steady guide.
Slows at the bar, reads the heave and flow.
Surges in smooth where the calm winds blow.
And the waters settle and the river breathes. Stories flowing down to meet the seas. New day calling, wild and free. The waters settle,
Carrying you and me. Carry you and me. Hey! Sands like honey, warm and bright.
gum trees shimmer in softer light.
Children surfing the sparkling waves where the river once raged.
Bastion's greens glow beyond the bay.
The old channel hums where the dolphins play.
The fisherman grins at the turning sky.
As the gulls wheel high and the waters settle and the river breathes. Stories flowing down to meet the seas. New day calling, wild and free. The waters settle, carrying you and me. Carry you and me. Come on. Where the flood once roared, only silence sings. Where the dark ran wild, now the daylight clings.